Running a restaurant is hard work, but getting your website shouldn't be. We can help you build a website and a mobile app that'll take just 5 minutes to set up. Step 1. Sign up, enter your restaurant name, cuisine, email, phone, and contact name. Step 2. Choose a template, select from a variety of templates with customizable design features and tools. Step 3. Customization. After signing up, you'll be redirected to the admin panel. Log in using the username and password sent to your email. Customize your online ordering system by updating your menu, hours, location, and even add blogs. Since it's digitally made for you, updating is easy and it promotes zero-contact ordering. Step 4. Launch. Launch your website with your own professional domain name, all for free, with our freemium plan. We can help you build a website and a mobile app that'll take just 5 minutes to set up. So why wait? Sign up for Restaurantify today and create your restaurant website instantly. Restaurantify, the ultimate online platform to create your restaurant website in just 5 minutes.